Chief Minister of Manipur Nongthombam Biren Singh today rushed to Chadong village in Ukhrul district to take stock of the situation where 2 boats with 12 panickers on board capsized in Mapidel Dam during a powerful cyclonic storm that swept through the state yesterday. Though 9 of them were rescued, 3 are feared dead in the boat sinking incident. The northeastern states of Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura are expected to experience heavy rains during the coming days. At present, an anticyclone is over North Bay of Bengal, which is feeding moisture over the northeastern states. The weather experts has today further predicted that the combined effect of both these weather systems, rain and thunder shower activities, are expected to continue with good intensity for the coming 1 week across the entire northeastern region. Police Commando today combed Major Khul, Kalibari, MG Avenue areas in Imphal city. The combing operation started from 8 a.m. and continued till 8:55 a.m. 372 people were verified through their documents, while 15 were picked up for further verification. Imphal has witnessed frequent bomb blasts and plantation of bombs at different places in recent times. At least 3 trucks were damaged after unidentified miscreants set on fire some truck parked near the FCI godown at Maura in the Meghalaya capital town of Shillong last midnight. While 1 truck got damaged completely, 2 others got partially damaged due to the fire incident. Police arrested a freelance journalist of Tripura late yesterday night evening on charges of being involved in circulating a fake information stating that Tripura's Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev's wife has filed a suit seeking divorce. The arrested journalist has been identified as Saika Talapatra. 72 seats spanning across 9 states are voting today in the Phase 4 of the Mega 7-phase electoral exercise. About 12.79 crore voters in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir will decide the fate of 972 candidates. The Supreme Court agrees to grant an urgent hearing to a plea seeking necessary directions to the Election Commission to take a decision on the complaints filed against PM Modi and BJP President Amit Shah over alleged violations of electoral law. Congress MP Susmita Dev filed a petition and the hearing on the matter will be held tomorrow. A group of about 50 turmeric farmers from Nizamabad district today will file their nominations from Varanasi against PM Modi in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections to highlight their long-pending demand of setting up a separate welfare board that would look into their issues and resolve them. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sánchez socialists won snap elections yesterday without the necessary majority to govern solo in a fragmented political landscape marked by the far right's entry into parliament. The results raised the spectra of another period of instability for Spain, with Sánchez depending on alliances with hostile rivals in an environment that has soured since Catalonia's failed secession bid in 2017. Japan, South Korea and the United States will meet on May 9 in Seoul for the 10th defense trilateral talks. As per reports, senior defense officials from each country will discuss ways to boost trilateral cooperation on the issue of denuclearizing the Korean peninsula and the enhancement of trilateral military ties.